Okay, let's make a very cheap and healthy snack. So this bag of carrots cost 86 cents and they're about 14 cents a serving. All right, let's see if we could divide this up kind of evenly into 6. Let's see, since there's about 6 servings. This big one, probably by itself. I'll take one of these small ones. That one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope. Okay. Let's see how we're gonna break this down. Oh dang, keeps rolling off. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. I guess we can call it 6 like that. All right, I've organized them. So we'll just call these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 servings, and then we'll bundle these little bitty ones together as one. Then you can peel it and chop it up, dice it into slithers, however you want to eat it. But here lately, I just haven't been peeling them. I'll just eat them like that. Wash them, and that's it. All right, let's see. Cut the ends off. Now when I do my salads, I just use, I'll show you. I'll use this grater and then just shred it and then put it with my other lettuce and tomato and all that. And I like it that way instead of being in chunks. But if I'm just snacking on it, then I like to cut them long ways. And you can either eat them like that, or you can have some kind of dip with it. Take it with your lunches. But just basically like that, almost finger food. So this is a really healthy and cheap and frugal snack that most adults and children typically enjoy. Now some people don't like it crunchy. You can boil it if they prefer. The kids prefer it boiled. I think it tastes sweeter when it's boiled, but I like it either way. I even like what is that? Carrot juice. Carrot juice is really delicious. I used to eat that, or drink that, sorry. I used to drink that when I was a little girl. But on occasion, I'll get some carrot juice from the store. But let me show you. So yeah, I would have carrot juice when I was little. My mom would buy it for us, and I still on occasion I'll buy it. But yeah, this is quite a bit. I don't know if it's a cup and a half of carrots. It's quite a bit of carrots. This will be a really good snack, and it'll hold you over till dinner. So hope you enjoyed that cheap and easy, healthy, delicious snack for only 14 cents. So can't beat that.